This is 5mm LED. This yellow also 5mm. And this is 60mm LED. Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, 16 October 2022, and of course I have a new video for you. Okay, here I have a pack of a bunch of LEDs. Some are 3mm and some of them are 5mm. For example, this red LED is 5mm. Okay. And now imagine that 12 times bigger. Okay. In next minute or so, you're gonna watch how I made a homemade DIY epoxy resin LED diode that will actually work, and it's around 60mm the case that I'm using for the epoxy resin. Take a look. Take a look. This is 5mm LED and it's tiny. This is, okay, let's measure. 62. It's working. But I don't know, can you see it? There is a crack, a big crack. Here it is. You can see it. I don't know why. So I decided this surface to be clear and turn out cool. And this top side I sanded very smooth. It's not perfect, but it's okay. 60mm and it's heavy. And just to mention, before testing this, in next videos I will use my homemade big NA555 timer chip. This will be good. Okay, power supply for this. Okay, here it is, my digital power supply. I'm gonna set on 3.2 volts, and here we're gonna watch how many amperes or milliamperes is pulling my LED before I tell you which diode I place inside the epoxy resin. Okay, this is positive, this is negative, and here it is, the crack. 87 milliamperes, just to kill the lights. Five millimeters, 60 millimeters. Big difference. Okay, I hope you liked. Just a moment. Okay, I hope you liked today's video. If so, please like, share, and subscribe.